Hello, this is Chris with Clarkson Pools. Today I will be going over how to set temperatures and turn on the spa in the iAquaLink app. First, open the iAquaLink app. Select the body of water from the My Systems list. To set your pool or spa temperature, select Set Temp. You can adjust the pool or spa temperatures by using the slider bar or simply tap the plus or minus buttons. Make sure to hit Save. To begin heating your spa, turn on spa mode. You must have spa mode enabled, otherwise the system will use the pool temperature set point. Once it's enabled, a message will appear indicating a delay. Tap OK. There is up to a 90-second delay, which allows the valves to open and the pump to turn on before spa mode is activated and a spa temperature is displayed. Now to heat your spa, toggle the spa heater on. Once the heating message disappears, it indicates the spa has reached the desired temperature. The heater will automatically turn back on when the spa drops below your temperature set point. To turn off spa mode in heating, simply tap spa heater and spa mode again. To prevent overheating, there's a built-in 5-minute delay that will allow the water to continue circulating and cool the heater down. Thank you for watching and have a great day.